All right, so this is a Greenote GSC40 cordless vacuum. This company sent this thing to me to do an unboxing and eventually a review on it. So we're gonna put it through its paces. But first, for this video, we're gonna do a kind of a general overview and unboxing of it. 140 watt motor, one click to empty, 2200 mAh battery. Also included is a 12-month warranty. Let's go ahead and open it up. Something for a free gift. Warranty card. So you can actually get 2 HEPA filters. Here's the manual, which is actually a pretty nice manual. A lot of these kinds of items will come with manuals that are just, you know, like a few sheets of paper stapled together. Floor tool. This is the docking station, it looks like. The machine itself. A filter. Looks like everything there. So let's undo all these and see what we have. Here's the machine. See if it turns on. So that's interesting. It has a trigger that you don't have to hold on to keep it running. Power port up top. Getting a little too far ahead of myself though. Let's have a look at everything else. So here we have everything it's come with. Now this I have out just for comparison purposes. This is from a Shark Navigator. And I guess right off the bat, we can show you guys how this compares. And I noticed this right when I pulled this out of the foam. The build quality of this tube when compared to the Shark tube, it's very comparable. I was honestly pretty surprised. It looks like they kind of use the same blow molding techniques as Dyson. I mean, I'm seeing the swirls that Dyson has in a lot of their plastics, so maybe that's a good thing. But you have a full telescoping wand, which is something that a lot of the other stick vacuums don't seem to have. But as far as a weight difference, it's about the same. Both of these pieces are obviously metal, so that's a pretty nice feature. You get your electrical that goes through there. And we have a crevice tool, dusting brush, which I wonder if the Dyson V6, V7 stick vacuum accessories will work with this one. Not sure, I'll have to try that. So looking over everything else, you can set that aside. You also have the aforementioned docking station, which you can mount on the wall. Presumably the instructions would tell you how to do that. And they do include the hardware to do this as well. Personally for me, I would try and get at least one of these screws into a stud, but that's just me. The rest of these you're probably fine to just, you know, anchor them into the wall, into the sheetrock. So let's go ahead and slap this thing together and kind of get a general look at it. And one thing I did want to note is this comes apart just like this. So here is the motor of the machine with the battery in it. And then here's the dirt cup. And in order to get to the filter, that's actually really easy. You just take that off Then there's the filter. You can clean out the screen. Everything's pretty easy to get to, even down here. And you can even remove the screen as well and clean that out. Clean the bin out pretty easily. And then with the screen, once you get that cleaned up, you just slap it back in. Just take the top here, slide that back on, twist, and there you go. So, and then they want, looks like the bottom goes in first. I'm trying to get everything on camera here. Just like that. That goes on. And then the power nozzle, really quickly I'll show you guys what this looks like. Fully articulating nozzle here, not too bad. Looks like they've got the Tygon wire reinforced tubing inside, so you'll get probably a few years out of that. The brush roll is a fuzzy brush roll. I wonder if they sell one that has actual proper bristles in it, because these bristles, if you can even call them that, are very soft. So this machine's probably best suited for office style carpet, or obviously hard floors, tile or wood. So it just goes on just like that. So I've got the nozzle all the way out. I'm about 6 feet tall. It's not too bad. Let's give it a shot. And we have a plus and minus speed setting right here. You can feel the suction. So let's see how it does, picking up some heavier particles with the crevice tool. Turn it on. We'll try it on the low mode first. Not bad. So this is mainly just pet hair, animal dander, things of that nature, a little bit of carpet fibers. But for this, I'm going to try it on the higher power setting. Looks like it's picked up all of it. Try some cat litter. Not even afraid of it. And we're just going to dump it in the trash. Pretty simple to empty this. And then we'll have to pull out the dust screen there. So basically anytime you use one of these, you're going to want to go through, pull the center screen out. That's just normal maintenance. Not too bad. It's also got a little rubber valve flap in there, so it keeps all the dirt and debris in when you're just moving it around, and it doesn't, you know, fall out of there when you're just jostling the machine around. So keep an eye out for my full review on this thing. So far, for its price point, it's not bad. It definitely fills that niche. If somebody's looking for something like this and they have predominantly hard floors or low pile carpet, if you've got an RV or you've got a small dorm room, something that doesn't have a lot of high pile carpet, this would actually be perfect. But I am going to put this through its paces, kind of test the battery life, see how much of a charge I can get out of it. The house that I'm going to be testing it in is over 2,000 square feet, so it's definitely going to get some use and run time on it. I'm going to use it for about a week or two, and then any and all issues that I have with it, I will report in that video. Goods with the bads. So stay tuned for that.